Hello everyone, it's just a Dan. Today I'm going to show you how to install these Govee 6-inch can lights. So this is what I currently have, and I keep getting a lot of wasp and spider webs up in there, and I want to replace these can lights. This is what I have up here now. I've got this and this. I got to take this part out. The other part's going to stay up there, and then I'm going to put the Govee light up. It's got a connector. You simply make sure you push the connector all the way until it clicks. Then we're going to screw that into the light bulb socket. When it first comes on, it's going to be like a white light or a soft white light. Then you're going to connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's unscrew the bulb. You may want to have some wasp spray or gloves because there can be a pretty big wasp nest up there sometimes. Now all you do to take this off, just grab it on the outside, pull it down. Now be careful, there is some sharp edges there. Now you're going to disconnect these springs right here. You're going to press them in. They're going to disconnect. And then this holds true if it's an inside light also. Press these. See, we disconnected those from those little hooks. Now you're going to press these little tabs right here, and the light socket will remain up in there. But now the can, I'm going to take this out. Okay, I've got that screwed into there. My light is on. There's a little seal here. It's so easy to install them. Those little spring tabs are just going to kind of catch. There you go. It is installed. You can kind of move it a little bit, but see how it is installed now. That is so simple. Okay, once you're in the Govee app, click that little plus button after you log in, and you're going to add a device. All right, now we've got it connected. This brings up all kinds of different settings. We can change the color. We got different scenes. There's so many controls. Color. Let's go green. There's green. There's purple. I can even go bright white or soft white. And I can even control the intensity. But I can also put this on timers. This is what's really neat. I can put it on different timers, scenes, festival. We got Halloween. And there's a Halloween light. It kind of just does it for you. So these lights are super nice. I love that I can put them on a timer, and I'm going to be able to keep the spiders and the wasp from building nests in the lights. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.